Bon matin, bon après-midi, bonsoir. I guess it depends on when you're watching the video. So that was good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So yes, we're well into our socializing vocabulary, and we want to try to really, expand our vocabulary other than just bonjour and au revoir. So this week there are no worksheets. There's just a Google Doc, and in the Google Doc we always have our weekly video, so you're watching that right now. There are a couple different videos about socializing in French. So this first one is about France versus Quebec, and it's a video that shows that sometimes they say different words or pronounce the words differently in France and Quebec. So on the Google Doc here, you need to list 5 words or phrases that are different from France and Quebec. Kind of like in English, we have an elevator in the United States, but in England, they call it the lift. Or if you say you're vacuuming, they call that hoovering in England. One other one is the trunk of a car. In England, they call it the boot of the car. So there's quite a few more, like fish and chips are really fries, and they call chips crisps. So, anyways, this is about the differences between France and Quebec. So I think you'll find that interesting. And go ahead and list 5 things that you learned that are different. The next part is French gestures. And you're going to tell 2 of the gestures that you saw in the video. Make sure you watch the whole thing. It's pretty interesting how, like, when we do like a thumbs up or an okay, that can mean something totally different in another language. So watch that video and then describe 2 of the hand gestures and what they mean. And the last part are slang expressions. So when you communicate and socialize, we use slang all the time. So there are different slang expressions that are explained in the video, and you're going to tell me 8 of them. There's more than 8 in here, and you're going to write the French on this line and what it means in English. So zoot would kind of be like a slang expression for darn it, and you're going to find a lot more there. And then we have a test on socializing that's on Quizlet. So when you click here, it opens up to the Quizlet set. And what you're going to do is you're going to do this multiple choice test. And when you're done with it, you're going to see a percentage. I would actually like you to try to take a screenshot of that and attach it to the assignment. So on my screen, I do a green shot here, and then I do capture full screen, and I save it as one of the things here. I would save it as Quizlet socializing test, save. And I'm sure you could do it differently. Maybe you could just take a photo of it. And then when you're submitting the assignment, you would try to attach that. So we'll try it, see how it goes, okay? Because I want to see what you can type your score here, but then you'll have proof of it when you attach it. And one last thing on this assignment, because there's no worksheets this week, is a Google form. So you need vocab 3 and culture 1. Remember, vocab 3 is on yellow, culture 1 is on blue. You click this open and you do a Google form. You can always use your notes when you're doing a Google form, okay? So try to do your best on that, submit it, and I'll get it back to you as soon as I can. All right, have a great week, and we'll see you in class. All right, a bientôt, which means see you soon.